Hello guys, welcome again to today's session. In today's analysis, we'll have this is a weekly chart, and this was the last uh, support that was broken at this level. Okay, all right. So, and then after this support was broken, we had 3 weeks push into the range. It's very, very important that you pay attention. Um, Normally in Elliott wave analysis, this first weekly candle is wave one. This second one is wave two, and this one is wave three. So we have 3 weekly candles push. Okay. So after this 3 weekly candles push, we don't know whether the market is going to crash down again here, okay, or whether it's going to continue to give us wave four, Elliott wave four and wave five. So, and how we can confirm that, is that we go to our 4 hour and daily time frame. Okay, so we mark out. So this was this was a high of wave three, the weekly. So after this high, we will want the market to break down. So let's know whether are we going to continue going down like this, or are we going to continue going up. Okay, so so you can see this was where we broke structure to the downside, pretending that we want to go up. So those that had sell position would have entered sell and say this is a break in market structure. But then unfortunately, we after breaking this market structure, we now broke immediately we broke this previous high here. You had something like this, a small W here. Okay, immediately we broke this high by 1 pip. Also, that was our entry because this was a week three high. So if we're going higher, we need to push above week three high. Okay, so another thing that you can also use is when you have a 4 hour candle close, above this high, which is the second candle, is a trigger for buy. Okay, if you don't want to use 4 hours, you can use your daily. Okay, you can use a daily. So a daily candle close, above week three high. You can see this was the daily candle close above week three high, and that's your buy entry. And once you buy, where is your take profit? Your take profit is always at the moving average, the next moving average. So this is the next moving average here. So we expect that, and that coincides to the dynamic resistance. So we expect the market to push up to around 1.67 or thereabout, and that is your final take profit. Okay, so also in the same fashion, looking at the portal trade I called now, you can see that this was the last support that was broken on the weekly, and you can see that we have had our Elliott wave week one, week two, and week three, and then we don't know whether we're going to continue going down or continue going up. Okay, so now, but you can see that here we had a base form. So here, this one, it didn't even break structure on the daily time frame. So this was only a retest, and after this retest, you see a high volume enter the market here, and once this high volume has entered the market, and then there was a break of the previous day high. So, and then if you go to 4 hours, time frame, you will see a 4 hour candle close above the previous day high, and that is our entry. That's our entry model, and that's when you buy. Okay, so that's it. So you can see the market is pushing up now. So that's it.